So, my Series 7 Apple Watch just came in this cool little box here. I think it's pretty similar to the Apple. This is actually, I've got the Apple 4 that I've had for a little while, or 3 I think. So decided to upgrade because the new one came out and it's got a lot of cool new features. So I wanted to get it. This is kind of cool. It has this little tag here that you can rip off on both sides. On both sides it's got this little tag that you rip off. So this is pretty interesting. Doesn't come on the band, but it comes in this cool little, looks like almost like a cloth case. A little box here that has, ooh, it came with a charger cord, which is cool. Get that set up. So looking at it side by side, it's pretty much the same size-ish, but I believe it's the actual screen that's just a little bit bigger. So it comes with this cool little box here with a new Nike strap, and open it up here. Oh, that's pretty. Nice. So here it is on my wrist, which is cool.